In this video, we'll fix the issue where your Windows 11 media player doesn't play a certain video format. Open your Start menu, type Control Panel, and open it. Now go to View by Large Icons and select Windows Tools. Inside here, open Services. In the list, scroll down and find Windows Media Player Network Sharing Service. Right-click it and choose Stop. This stops the player from locking its database while we rebuild it. Go to this PC and open C Drive and go to Users. User, App Data. Now, if you can't find App Data folder here like me, just click View icon End Top and click on Hidden. Inside this folder, delete everything. Don't worry, it's just temporary cache and library data. These files will rebuild automatically when you open the player again. Go back to the Start menu and type Services and open it. Windows Media Player Network Sharing Service and click Start again. Now reopen Media Player and try playing your video. You'll notice smoother playback and improved format compatibility. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe.